made for the days of doom. There are people that they know already they are going to be destroyed. In every family there is a Pharaoh. Whether you like it or not, there must be a Pharaoh. That Pharaoh can be your uncle, it can be your auntie, it may even be your elder brother. They will enter covenant and say, nobody will exceed where I store. I have one in my family. He's a PDP chairman in my local government. I was praying one day, God said he has gone to a place they call Ebohimi to do charm, that nobody will exceed where he store. All the daughters, no one will be able to marry. God said, pray. When we begin to pray, he collapsed and they rushed him to the hospital. He began to confess. The simple prayer I prayed is this. I said, Father. He said, go to Genesis chapter 2. He said, out of the doors he made man and he made us from the doors and on the ground. He breathed into our soul. He breathed into us, we became a living soul. I said, if you are the God that created this man and he has a soul, today I switch off his breath. That is the prayer I'm going to pray. Any man that is a human agent that has something to do with my delay, that has something to do with me being like this, remain on one spot, prolonging my affliction. Father, switch off their breath. Switch off their breath. Switch off their breath. Yes!